Power on here? Does it have power? You can't, nobody can hear? Does it have power? Does it have power on here?
No, really plug.
Yeah, power? Okay.
Thanks for coming, Metro. Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Including at transfer stations. And hold on to it for fair inspections.
Can you let me see if it has power? You blocked it. These people are horrible. Clean and harass them to stop. The government panics just like an abuser. No difference. It's just the government. You need to know what I go through. So train 1 no longer has the power supply. Okay, I've been on the trains and it has power. This happens all the time. So this is number 1. We'll try again. Then the minion tried to block, so I couldn't see if it was a power. I don't know these people. He wouldn't let me look in. Deliberately got in the way so I couldn't see. Monitored. Gaslit by security. Cleaning people that are stalking, helping commit crimes with transit, and using cleaning as an alibi for crimes. It went off. It's another something else is wrong with transit. And like I said, the cleaning person is here, and it went off time I started recording it. I'll try again. A line to Palm. 317. It's not saying it now. But you saw something did do to something, so it was saying that it was creating an issue. They're closing the door real quick. I barely got in. This one don't have power. You don't give people time to get in or off, and you gotta close the door. This happens all the time. I can't sue. But it's notifying you someone's in the doorway. Well, okay then I'll leave. It's on purpose. Haven't even got off yet, all the way. This one has no power. But when I caught them off guard, it had power. Is there power on there? Power? Yes.